Alright, real quick, I want to show you how I installed my single air compressor by ARB. I ran the normal wire loom with the big fuse over to the battery bank, which is over there. I have the Genesis dual battery set up, so it looks like a cluster of mess, but it's really not. One to the positive, one to the negative. Now the wire loom that comes with the compressor has all this. One goes to the switch to activate the compressor, then two other sets of wires go to the flipper switches for the front and rear lockers. Now, what I ordered was this single wire loom, which has 4 wires to it. I put one wire into the Voswitch right here. The other 3 wires I just taped back. There's a yellow wire that goes to one of the lockers, a green wire goes to the other locker, and then a negative. The compressor is grounded to the battery, and the Voswitch is grounded, so it works. So I don't have any issues. I didn't even run that extra ground. If I need to, maybe leave a note in the comments. So come inside, turn this on. Compressor's turned on right there. Come back out, and alright. So this wire here I ordered off of Amazon. It's the same sPod wire that you can get from the sPod website. Amazon had it here in a day. So that's all you really need. It's pretty simple. I think you could probably also, if you were inclined to, right there, just tap into that red wire and just run that red wire up to the switch, and it should work as well. Okay, thanks for watching.